Assalamualaikum, berjumpa lagi. Hari ini Kak Nora mengambil kesempatan mengucapkan selamat tahun baru 2021 kepada anda semua. Semoga berada di dalam keadaan sihat di samping keluarga yang disayangi. Hari ini Kak Nora nak share dengan korang sup ayam yang sedap, iaitu Korean style chicken soup. Anda boleh mencubanya sendiri di rumah. Harap anda semua enjoy. Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel. I like to take this opportunity to wish Happy New Year 2021, and I hope you guys stay safe and blessed with your family. I'm going to share with you my delicious Korean style chicken soup. I hope with this recipe you guys will enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, share and your beautiful comment. Thank you for watching. These are the ingredients. I'm using enoki mushroom, 1 zucchini, some spring onion, 4-inch of ginger, garlic, and 1 onion. I'm using 1 chicken breast, and also udon noodles, some sesame oil, and fish sauce. Dalam resepi ini, Kak Nora menggunakan enoki mushroom, zucchini, daun bawang, bawang putih, bawang merah, halia dan juga udon noodles, juga ayam bahagian dada. Sedikit minyak bijan dan juga ikan sos. Turn on the fire. And I have about 12 cloves of garlic, 4-inch ginger. Put it all in the pot. And I have 1 onion. Just cut it like this and put them all in the pot. Masukkan semuanya ke dalam periuk. Then I have chicken, and bring to the boil for 1 hour. Masakkan ayam ini selama 1 jam. For extra flavor, I'm going to add my spring onion root into my soup. Masukkan akar daun bawang ke dalam sup untuk penambah rasa. For zucchini, I'm going to just cut them like this. Potongkannya begini saja. Add salt for seasoning. Masukkan garam secukup rasa. I'm going to add some seasoning, add some salt, masukkan garam secukup rasa, and also 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock. Masukkan juga vegetable, sayur-sayuran stock. After 1 hour, my chicken soup is ready. Now I'm going to remove my chicken and my garlic. Kak Nora akan keluarkan isi ayam dan juga bawang putih. Letakkan dia ke dalam mangkuk. Dan juga bawang putih. Now I'm going to add my enoki mushroom. Masukkan mushroom and bring to the boil for 5 minutes. Biarkan dia masak dalam 5 minit. Letakkan sedikit minyak bijan. Fry my zucchini with some sesame oil, but you need to squeeze them like this. Gorengkan sayur zucchini ini. You don't need the water, okay? Squeeze the water. My zucchini is ready. Just fry them for a few minutes. Once it's ready, you turn off the fire. Chop spring onion like this. Potongkan begini saja. Here we go, my beautiful chicken soup. And I'm going to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Add them into your soup. Now I'm making seasoning for the chicken. This is the garlic. You need to smash them like this. And you add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. One, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Add some salt. Masukkan sedikit garam, secukup rasa. And add some black pepper. Masukkan sedikit serbuk lada hitam. Oh, that's too much maybe. Alright, you can mix them. Mix. And add the chicken. Masukkan ayam. Soak the noodles into the hot water until it's soft. Masukkan dia air panas sehingga dia menjadi lembut. Once the noodles already soft, drain them using metal strainer. Tapiskan air dia. Add some noodles into the bowl. And add some soup. I'm going to add some zucchini and chicken on top. And some spring onion. If you want extra spice, add some chili. This is my Korean chicken noodle. Kepada anda di rumah, selamat mencuba.